Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update on the gas pedal. So if I zoom in down there, you'll see that we've now got that fitted into car, and you can see with the zip ties up there how I've routed the wiring, and we've wired it in so it comes on with the switch pod. So I'll turn it on straight into its demo mode and turn it off, and the way I'm turning it on and off is using this button here, which is the assign button, which is a latching switch on car, so on or off. And there we go, that's your Baccar-I lighted gas pedal fitted to car. Thanks for watching this short update. I've been Steve, this has been another Knights of England video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.